Hello, everybody. This will be a quick update on Bitcoin and Ethereum for March the 15th on this Tuesday morning. Looking at a local golden pocket right here, just pulled a golden pocket from the swing low to the swing high right here. And we could get a minor pullback to 38,400 roughly. That'd be a good long to look for. I would expect to see divergences, bullish divergences forming on the 3 hour or 3 minute, in order to take this trade. Also, we do have a local golden pocket acting as resistance at 39,225 roughly. This is taken from the swing high to the swing low right here. It play out for a nice short, and I'd like to see it forming on the 6 minute. I'd like to see bearish divergences forming in order to get a move down and for me to take that trade. Anyways, just zooming out and looking at the general time frames. Right now we do have kind of the RSIs clumped together on the 1 hour. Going to the 4 hour, we do have the VWAP tickling the zero line on the 4 hour. 12 hour, we are getting a red dot printing. However, the money flow is coming up, so it's a little weaker of a red dot. On the daily time frame, we do have a green dot printing, and we do have the money flow coming up over time. As you can see, we were in a slow downtrend, and now we're just kind of coming up as price is coming up along with the money flow. So that's a good sign. We do have the 2-day, however, making lower lows on the money flow. The money flow is getting thicker in the negative zone, therefore adding kind of downward pressure to it. We do have the RSIs kind of split and looking oversold or overbought in a way. And on the 3-day, we do have money flow kind of coming up, but however, the VWAP is kind of going sideways, meaning kind of consolidation. Going to the 7-day, I like to use the 7-day as a sneak preview to the weekly time frame, and we do have the money flow in the red. However, we do have the RSIs showing to be oversold, along with a red dot printing at the moment. Going to the weekly, there is no red dot printing. However, the money flow is in the negative, and we do have the RSIs looking to be oversold in a way. Moving on to the 2-week, we do have the VWAP just kind of almost tickling the zero line, about to print a green dot. So we'll see if that plays out sometime this week. I was actually expecting this to have a green dot by now and at around last week, but we shall see. I am going to go to the Coinbase chart in order to look at the monthly time frame, and you can see the monthly just kind of going sideways, meaning possibly more consolidation. But we'll see if Bitcoin starts to pick up here. Looking at more levels, again, we do have 2786s acting as resistance at 39,644. Up here, let me update these. Pull this fib down from the swing low here. And so this fib is taken from the swing high up here. We also have a wick at 42,698. It play out for a nice swing failure pattern short. We also have a fib pulled from the swing high to the swing low right here. And we're getting a golden pocket at around 40,700. At around that range too, we do have single prints beginning at 41,062 and a single print ending at 41,660. We also have confluence lining up with that single print ending a 786 at around 41,555. And on the way there, we do have another wick at around 40,371. It play out for a nice swing failure pattern. And so it's just something to look for. Honestly, if we do come up here into these single prints, usually price does like to consolidate within single prints, but you never really know with crypto in the world of Bitcoin. Looking at the overall trend of things, we are still in an uptrend. We have yet to touch this daily line at around 35,560, along with this trend line here. This is also a point of control from this lower range right here. And so it would be a healthy pullback if we do come down and kind of pick up the liquidity here and then kind of zoom back up. And so that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Ethereum, again, I have a local golden pocket just from the swing low here to the swing high here. And that has come in at around 2,522. I also have a local resistance of a golden pocket at around 2,564. This is taken from this swing high to this swing low right here. Zooming out a little bit more, we do have a wick from right here acting as resistance, and it could be a nice swing failure pattern to look out for at around 2,609. I'm going to go to higher time frames and just kind of look at that. From this whole range right here, from the swing high to the swing low, we do have a golden pocket at around 2,664. That could be a nice resistance, but however, Ethereum, I've noticed, doesn't really quite respect golden pockets, and it kind of respects 786s more, so I'd look for a 786 a lot more, and that is coming around 2,711. Again, we also have a wick up here, acting as a nice resistance for a swing failure pattern, possibly at 2,771. Also, we do have a larger golden pocket from this higher high right here at around 3,000, taken to this lower low right here. And we are getting a golden pocket at around 2,815. Also, just be aware of the 786 up here at 2,917. It is also having confluence with this nice trend line up here. And so, again, just like Bitcoin, if we do come down, I'm expecting a nice liquidity grab at around 2,400, but 2,392 to be exact, because there's confluence here with this point of control of this mini range right here, this trend line, and then a naked daily point of control, along with a larger trend of a parallel channel just from this whole range. Sorry for the messy chart. But again, Ethereum does like to mimic what Bitcoin does, and so really we'll see how this plays out. Anyways, if you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Plus, I'll leave a link in the description to a Discord where I post all my trades along with other crypto related ideas. Thanks. Bye.